Guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today is kind of an impromptu video, literally one of those videos where I'm just minding my business, not doing anything, kind of preparing for Monday coming, making sure I know what my to-do list is for the next day, and then bam, I get this message from Webull. So with all the craze and all the craziness, Webull has now opened up a beta test where you can actually buy Dogecoin. Now, no shape or form am I encouraging you to buy Dogecoin, but just letting you guys know that you can now buy it on Webull, and you can simply search it. I believe it's available for everyone, because I know it said beta, but I believe it's for everyone. But they're saying that you can now actually buy it. Now, they do have crypto trading on their platform. Now, one of the things is understanding, yes, it's a little bit, different when you're buying cryptos on platforms like Robinhood, which everybody hates. But that's the best way to buy Dogecoin for most people right now. The most easiest is also the most hated way. But even with Webull, that yes, these do not have the quote unquote wallet features, etc., like type of things, but they're not advanced in it. Like I know Robinhood is actually working on creating a wallet. Don't shoot the messenger. That's just facts of what's happening. So, but here with Webull, yes, you can now buy it. And so all you have to do, if you're on the desktop, I don't know how you get to it from the desktop, because I literally just found out, but you can easily just search Dogecoin and it's going to come up and it's available for you to buy it. Bam, just like that. So I did do a test to check it out, but that was pretty exciting news. Now, most of you guys may not be using the desktop, so let me just show you how you get to it on your mobile phone. So let's go right over to the phone real quick. All right, guys, we are now here on the phone. And so when you open up Webull, it comes up to these different watch lists or whatever you have, like if it's your portfolio list up, whatever. And so here I just have a list of just different stocks I've checked out, been looking at, stuff like that. But basically when you come in, here at the bottom, it says markets. Tap on markets. Right at the top, you're going to see where it says cryptos. Click on cryptos and you're right there. Now, this is how you can actually buy just about any crypto that they have listed up here. Well, can't buy any of them, but they do. But they're kind of showing you that, they're just showing what's happening to cryptos. And they do have where you can buy some. So let me correct myself. But here, if you scroll, you see Dogecoin. Click on Dogecoin and you see this button that says trade, and bam, that's how you're able to start using it and you'll start able to trade in it. And it's pretty cool that they have this little screen on here, with the animations. I love that stuff. But yep, you're definitely there and you're now able to start trading Dogecoin on Webull just like that. And so that's pretty cool. And I'm sure with everything that's happened, they've wanted to just kind of, see, how can they capitalize on the craze of this? Because at first it would give you a notification like, oh, well, it's being tested, but it's not available for trade yet. And so what I did is to see and to make sure that it actually is going through. I went and I just bought a small amount of Doge and just hit 50. And you can see right here where it says position that I bought it. And just like that, it went through. So I guess it's real. You can actually buy Dogecoin on Webull. And just like any other cryptos you see, like you might can't get them, get XLM, but if it's any ones that you can't get, it's going to tell you you have Dash. Oh, it looks like they may have opened up the platform so you can buy altcoins. They once just did it all. So at first, a lot of these you couldn't even buy, but they have them all open now. You can get Bitcoin. Of course, everyone's going to let you get Bitcoin. Ethereum. Oh, that's the same one. You have your LTC. Bitcoin. Yep. Looks like you can buy all of them. That's crazy. So it looks like they must have just opened. Can you buy some of this too? You can get some Tron? No, you can't. So for example, so here, and it might have been that they may have actually allowed you to buy like these two, but I don't remember seeing it. I might be wrong. Somebody let me know in the comments. But here you can see where you can actually, where at the bottom where it says this cryptocurrency is not tradable on Webull. When you would go to Doge, you would get those things. Let's look at Neo. Same thing. This cryptocurrency not traded on Webull. Yep. So, but when you go to Dogecoin, okay, so basically whatever's listed down here, you can't trade it. Whatever's listed down here, you can't trade. What's up here, basically you can trade, which, it says trading available cryptos. But I just wanted to check and see with the other cryptos if you could get any of them, but no, you can't. So have a good selection to start up here. And so there you go. So you want to buy any cryptos, there you go. But Dogecoin is the one that's hot. Everybody's looking to get to. It's been the number one question. How do I get to it? Can I get to it? What do I do? And of course, like I said, the easiest platform to buy it on is Robinhood, and most people don't like that. So now I guess we're just waiting for Coinbase to allow Dogecoin to come through on their platform, since everybody wants to buy Doge nowadays. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's how you can actually buy Dogecoin as well as some other cryptos right here on Webull as of now. Before I know they had Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. I know you could be able to get those, and I never even tried to check any other ones really, because I never used Webull for crypto. So, but here now Dogecoin is available, so you can actually now buy it, just that simple. So again, down here, tap on market right there, click on it, and you're able to buy just like that. Hit trade, there you go. You can see I actually already purchased some, like I told you, just to test it out to see exactly what would happen, and it went through. So there you guys go. Talk to you guys in the next video. Always remember that this is not financial advice. I'm in no shape or form trying to encourage you to buy this or anything like that. Do your own research. But yeah, guys, feel free to like, subscribe, stick around, and hey, happy investing. Doge to the moon.